Welcome to our state-of-the-art plywood manufacturing factory, where quality and precision are at the heart of every step. Join us as we take you through the meticulous process of crafting plywood, from start to finish. Sourcing. Our journey begins in sustainably managed forests, where we carefully select the finest timber for our plywood production. Trees are harvested with utmost care, ensuring minimal impact on the environment. Debarking and peeling. Once the logs reach our facility, they undergo debarking, where the outer bark is removed. Then, using advanced peeling machines, the logs are transformed into thin veneer sheets, ready for the next stage. Core treatment. The prepared veneers are immersed in a tank containing the chemical solution. The veneers are carefully placed into the tank, ensuring that they are completely submerged. This allows the chemical solution to permeate the wood fibers and effectively treat the plywood core. This is the process in which our wood acquires its significant fire defense technology. Drying. To achieve optimal moisture content, the veneer sheets are placed in specialized drying kilns. This process ensures stability and durability in the final product. Stacking. Once the veneer sheets are dried, they are carefully sorted and stocked in our warehouse, awaiting the next phase of production. Core composer. In this stage, the veneer sheets are composed to create a strong and uniform plywood core. Our advanced core composing machines ensure precision and consistency. Pneumatic glue spreader. Next, a specially formulated adhesive is applied to the veneer sheets, and they are assembled together layer by layer. This process forms the foundation of our high-quality plywood. Our company produces a unique adhesive, characterized by its adherence to both E0 emission standards and CARB certification, ensuring that the glue is completely devoid of emissions during usage. Cold press. To ensure a solid bond, the assembled plywood undergoes cold pressing under high pressure. This step further strengthens the plywood's structural integrity. Hot press. Following the cold press, the plywood is placed in a hot press, subjecting it to high temperatures and pressure. This thermal treatment enhances the plywood's strength and stability. Afterward, it is allowed to cool down slowly. Double dimension cutting. Once cooled, the plywood sheets are accurately cut to their desired dimensions using precision cutting machines, using the help of precision laser technology. Calibration. The freshly cut plywood sheets are then passed through a calibration machine, ensuring uniform thickness across the entire batch. Refacing. To enhance the plywood's surface appearance and durability, a thin layer is added to the face of each sheet. This process guarantees a smooth and aesthetically pleasing finish. Cold press and hot press. After refacing, the plywood sheets undergo another round of cold and hot pressing. This final pressing ensures the complete integration of all layers. This particular feature forms an essential element within our advanced 4-press technology. Double dimension cutting. Once the pressing is complete, the plywood sheets are precisely cut to their final dimensions, meeting the exact specifications required. Sanding. Now, depending on the desired finish, the plywood may undergo sanding using a drum sanding machine. This step further refines the surface texture, leaving it smooth and ready for various applications. Preservative treatment. To enhance the plywood's durability and protect it against external elements, a preservative treatment is applied. This ensures a long-lasting and resilient product. Steel wool machine. After the treatment, the plywood undergoes a steel wool machine process to smoothen any rough spots or imperfections, giving it a flawless finish. Finishing. Our skilled craftsmen meticulously inspect each sheet, making final adjustments and refinements by hand. Quality checking. In the quality check zone, firstly, skilled craftsmen perform a hammering inspection. After that, the plywood panels undergo rigorous lab testing, where their moisture content, density, and strength are examined. This meticulous evaluation guarantees that only the highest quality plywood makes its way to our customers. Printing. To add essential product information and branding, each sheet is marked with precision using our advanced printing machines. This allows for easy identification and traceability. Stacking and dispatch. Finally, our automated stacking system carefully arranges the plywood sheets for packaging and dispatch. From here, they will be shipped to customers worldwide, ready to be used in countless applications. And there you have it, the intricate process behind our top-quality plywood. From responsible sourcing to advanced manufacturing techniques, we take pride in producing plywood that meets the highest standards of durability, strength, and aesthetics. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our plywood manufacturing factory. We hope you gained insight into the craftsmanship and dedication that go into every sheet of plywood we produce.